Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story ain't complete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see, upon the screen, World Boss said do it, my people, putting out the comment section where you think about that. One trailer load full of, boy, people, a 50-foot container full of supplies, you know. This is my say, and your sister, he's also supplying hot meals. That's definitely a good look. You see it. As you know, Dancehall Queen Spice do it too. You know what I mean? But I have to highlight the ones them that really get a fight in a dancehall and the system. Because we see that the system not really a help. And we see that the system is getting millions in donations. But we're hearing a bag of excuses why things can't reach certain place. You know what I mean? Someone want to big up the king and big up the queen for doing their thing. This is my awesome, my people. Because I post one video where Tony Matterhorn being very disrespectful to Bro God on my Mix-Up and Things channel. But what you're going to hear right now is Tony Matterhorn exposing the government and their contracts with all of these wholesalers in Jamaica and why they should be the ones delivering food for free, my people. Let's take a good listen now.
Government and everything. Somebody, Minister of Agriculture and your ministry, step to them boy there before it get wicked. You understand? Step to them boy there. You can't have a revolution if you not step. Because we are going to hold unaccountable, you know. Don't get it twisted, you know. Because me telling you, you know, always a blame Bro God and Bro God this and Bro God through Bro God at the face of Jamaica. It's not Bro God alone, people. It's a parliament. It's a parliament. Labour right and PNP they in a parliament. Don't get it twisted. If Labour right in a power, you hear some PNP ball. If PNP in a power, Labour right ball. The whole of them in a one circle. When parliament is not Labour right alone in a parliament. Always remember that. That's why me not curse the Prime Minister. You never hear me just know say the Prime Minister is the man at the head. But it's not him alone in a parliament. You understand? Always remember, when you look and you see with Jamaica Parliament, don't you see them a beat down the desk? Beat down the desk now. Politician could have get away with not doing shit or doing things. You can't do that now. You're under the watchful eyes of the camera. And people have to know that. You have the TikTok them, you have the Instagram, you have the all these media. So you can't ramp with we. You can't ramp with people. You think we're going to watch, you know, every minute in a parliament, you know, on a jacket and tie, and then when issues come, we not see one, you know, on a jacket and tie, a rally for we want to think. I want to think. You know, your Marcus Garvey telling us head a go roll. You never know say this mean. It mean when crisis come, people head a go roll. People head a go literally roll and chop and run in at the blood clot street. There's gonna be blood in the streets. So if you don't feel like you go only go parliament go. And when issues come, you feel like, oh, the people are going to just talk a 9 day. You fuck for no. We may talk on a 9 day, but guess when it recorded, it's not going to only be 9 day. Don't forget that. When it's recorded, it's not going to only be 9 day. It's going to be a data collection. It's going to go in the database. Yes. All of them distributors of food in our country, the Grace Kennedy, them, the Eve, the Salada food, them, all of these people, they make trillions of dollars off of our people. In a time of crisis, if we give back to generational wealth, them people that get out of our country. Don't forget that. Generational wealth. We are big people and we grew up. Come see, them are married food and them something there. And people, I remember being young, and we blame the government them. We blame the prime ministers them at the time and think it was the prime minister. Is what these big bumper rascal, thick redneck pussy where grab we by the neck and I suck the blood out away. Yeah, because The government them back then signed deal with these people where nobody else couldn't come distribute things in our country. So them control distribution. So hence, when any little thing, any little crisis, any little storm, any little thing, they control the narrative of the food. Them can say, oh, the juicer, them supply a juice, and them say, hold on the juice. You know, so the people them are gonna need the juice, but you hold on it because you can put a price on it. And if them put a price on it, if the distributor put a price on it, then the freaking wholesale have to put a price on it. Then the wholesale, the little corner shop, Miss May shop, Mr. Brown shop, Auntie Pauline shop, they buy from the wholesale. They have to buy from the wholesale liquor more expensive because the expense been coming down from these distributor. These distributor hold on the food. That is a all them I use back pan we again, people. Wise up. So we need with people them in a government, the wall on the boy and girl in a government we a beat down book, go beat down them boy the door and say, hey boy, don't ramp with my people. You think I have a Jamaican young? Thank God him preserve some of we still have sense. When know we go on and know say it come again. Oh, 1 week food supposed to done out of our warehouse them. And the storm never lick the warehouse them. Make it make sense to me, no people. Make it make sense. Make it make sense, no? If 600,000 Jamaicans done the food in a 1 week, imagine if it was 1.5, 1.8 Jamaicans. 1.8 million Jamaicans. How fast the food would have done in a 1 day? Cook weed after you cook meat people. You remember back in the days them they have one thing where them sit down a Westwell and them and young people, Foota and young people. So literally cook weed after cook one another. On not do the match. Do the match. Government people get to them boy there. Notify them boy there. People on always a rush government and a rush the leaders them. Now is the time when I talk to the leaders and say, rectify this. Fix this. Fix this. 1 week I wanna tell us our food done. Then we wanna supply wait. Cause the last time I checked, if you have a factory that supplies thing on a weekly basis, the trucks them go out and supply these wholesale. The storm came. Did the storm affect any of the factories? Ali, what go on, moment?
Put in the comment section what you think about what he had to say. You see what I said?
Yeah, man. Adija Palmer, you know? Foundation. Yeah. One world boss. Yeah, man. Event. Truck still a load, you know? Back up the truck. National Stadium now.
And just as one of many things that dancehall artists like Vybz Kartel is doing, and we should be seeing all of these things that Tony Matterhorn mentioned. Don't it, my people? But we're not going to longer this no longer. You see myself, if you want to hear more what Tony Matterhorn had to say, you can go up on my Mixup and Things channel. You see myself. But do the right thing and subscribe to all of my platforms, because we're going to upload some bagger mix-up in the day. You see myself. We just have to get the important stuff off first, you see. You know what I mean? So just be safe out there. Bless.